Welcome to this video. This video is about our database assignment. We are from Group 9 and my teammates are Anil, Chia Ching Hao and me, Go Yu Tim. I will be explaining the first and second part of this project, the enhanced scenario. This is the scenario that we chose. We chose scenario 1 for our database project, and this is our enhanced scenario. We added another table for our application policy application table. The table is called medical checkup and it contains our patient's number, name, IC, checkup date, and smoker. Each checkup is performed by another table, which is called doctor. A doctor can have many patients, but a patient can only have one doctor. Another table that we added is owning a policy comes with a bill. Policy owners are expected to pay the bills before the due date. Customers can enjoy the benefits of investment-linked insurance, such as receiving the returns of investing in the investment fund, and the money can be useful when unexpected things happen. The table investment fund records the unique ID, fund name, currency, and unit price, valuation date, and changes. The investment fund is managed by another table called fund manager. A fund manager can help manage many investment fund numbers, and each investment fund number is managed by one manager. Next, we are going to talk about our business rules. In total, we have around 26 business rules, and let me brief you on what our business rules about. First one is a branch can have more than one agent, and an agent can only work for one branch. It shows the connection between the two tables. And for an agent table to a customer table, an agent can be responsible for many customers, and a customer only deals with one agent. So it shows that the connection between the table, if it's one to one or one to many. The rest of the business rules are almost similar, and so now I will go to our part 2, design our database. This is our ER diagram. The ER diagram shows the variables we have for each of the tables. So for the branch table, we have the branch number, branch location, and number of agents. And here we can see that the branch hires an agent, and the agent has the agent ID, and then agent given name, surname, zip code, street, city, and city state. And this shows that where the agent lives. And the agent deals with the customer, and the customer's information, the customer ID, race, surname, given name, gender, street, state, city. And the customer has the application. The application leads to the medical checkup, and the medical checkup links to the doctor. After doing the medical checkup, it will go back to the application, and the application can be when the application is approved, then the customer is able to purchase the policy. With the policy, there will be the owner surname, owner given name, coverage, sum assured name, and the policy number. And each policy possesses a bill containing the bill ID, due date, paid date, balance. And in the policy, there is also the plan, and the plan has a plan ID, plan name, policy period, annual premium, and monthly saving. And also, lastly, within the policy table, there is also a policy account, where the policy account invests in the investment fund that is managed by the fund manager. So this is our ER diagram. Coming back to this Word file, there's also an RDM link here that is to see our RDM diagram. And this is all for my part of my presentation. The third part will be explained by Danny. Will be explained by Ching Hao.
Alright, thank you, team. Hello everyone, I'm Danny, and today I'm going to talk about the database assignment, part 3, which is implement a database. So we got 12 tables in our database assignment. So the first table that we created is branch, then branch number until this all that is a attribute of the branch table, then followed by agent table, then this is the foreign key of the agent table, then customer, we created customer table, doctor table, medical checkup, then application, bill, plan, fund manager, investment fund, then policy account and policy. Alright, so after we created the table, we need to drop it. Then here, so drop table. So we dropped the policy account, policy table, policy account table, then investment fund, fund manager, plan, bill, application, medical checkup, doctor, customer, agent, and branch. After we drop the table, then we need to insert the data into our database. So here is the information, all the data that we insert into the table, into our table. So this is all the data that insert into the branch table. Then this is insert into the agent table, customer, doctor, all the way until the policy. So now I'm going to run our script and see how it goes. Run now. Alright, the table is created, dropped, and inserted. Alright, so everything looks good and run well. Alright, so that's all for my part. I'm going to pass it to Anil and continue with part 4. Alright, thank you.
So this is part 4, query a database. So the first query is find the total number of customer belongs to each state. So I have the SQL script ready. Let's run it. Yep, it's working fine. So this is the analysis. The query shows that there are 2 customers from Selangor, 2 customers from Johor, and 4 customers from Perak. Query number 2, I'll search for the rejected customer and think of a reason why they got rejected. So rejection means there's no policy date and the approve is 0. So let's run the SQL script. It works. So here there are 2 customers, 0007 and 0008. They got rejected because they have not approved and there's no policy date. So 007 got rejected because he's too old even though he didn't smoke. 0008 got rejected because he's old and he's a smoker. So query number 3, find the state with more than 2 insurance branches. So the script is here, run it. So no data found. So it means that in each state there's only 1 insurance branch. So let's find out Ling Mei Chin's investment detail. Here I'll include her policy account ID, her name, her investment name, and her manager name. Here I'll join the surname and given name by using the concat function. So here, this is the SQL script, run it. So it works. So here, the policy number 004, Ling Mei Chin, has invested in PRU Dana Euros and her investment is managed by Samuel Itos. So query number 5, I want to know how many customers does an agent have. So here's this. Here's the script without grouping. So list down all the agent ID. So if I group it and count how many are there. So here is correct. So it says here that agent 004 has 4 customers, agent 001 has 3 customers, agent 002 has 1 customer. The other agent don't have any customer. Query number 6, I want to find out which customer has a saving between 350 and 400 ringgit. So here I'll use current balance between 350 and 400. So it should work well. Okay. So the analysis says that Ling Mei Chin and Liu Qitong both have a current balance between 350 and 400. Query number 7, here I'll categorize the current balance for each owner with different type of saving status. So here I'll create a new column called saving status. It includes if the current balance is 0, then it is considered very weak. If the current balance is less than 150, it is considered weak as well. If the current balance is between 150 and 350, it's neutral. If the current balance is greater than 350, the saving status is strong. So here I have the SQL script, and here I use union. So it works. Let's go down. So here, PA001 and 002 account number has a very weak saving status. PA003 and 006 has a neutral saving status, and PA004 and 005 has a strong saving status. So that is all for me for part 4. Thank you.